This is an example of finite element analysis carried out by ADZAAN Consulting Private Limited. This shows a detailed rendered model of raw water pump and its drive motor. The pump is on the left and the motor on its right. Both of them are sitting on a common skid. The scope of work was to determine what are the natural frequencies of the whole assembly and if the drive frequencies were too near to the natural frequencies, resulting in resonance problems. I will now switch over to the results of the analysis, where we can see the mode shapes as well as a dynamic model of the mode shape. In other words, we can see the thing moving and decide where are the problem areas. That is the good thing of doing finite element analysis. So at this mode shape 1, you can see the natural frequency is 62 Hz in the middle of your screen. Okay, we can then study the animation of the whole assembly, and immediately it is clear that there is a weakness in the foundation of the motor support, which leads to it gyrating in the X direction back and forth. This was identified as a clear problem because it lies very close to the drive frequency of around 65 Hz. This is not the end of the job, because we would then suggest solutions to move the frequency, natural frequency, further away from the drive frequency. I will now close this window and we will switch over to the solutions that was also done earlier. We load up the model in the software, move to post-processing, and again we go and animate the model. As you can see, the first mode shape has increased in frequency from 62 Hz to 73 Hz. This is an increase of 11 Hz and has moved the natural frequency much further away from the drive frequency of 65 Hz. And we would also see that the animation of the model shows that it is the same mode shape that has been stiffened up by 11 Hz. This is an example of finite element analysis carried out by ADZAAN Consulting Private Limited.